he would call her a prostitute in a tweet, and he would call the head of state, a former head of state, her pimp.
Assuming that the reference wouldn't be taken literally by the reader, an actual allegation of an assertion of crime that one was in fact engaged in prostitution and pimping, but rather the metaphorical usage that you describe, that's going to end up being protected in American courts.
It wouldn't be a criminal matter. I think I'd say similarly that assuming if it was an actual allegation of prostitution, then that would obviously be libelous, and then that would be actionable. But if it was more just kind of, a general kind of insult, then I think that the repercussions would be political. I think it would be seen as extremely newsworthy and bad to call a journalist a whore, essentially. But I don't think they would be assuming that it was not seen as an actual serious allegation. I don't think there'd be any legal implications.